In a world where Wall Street veterans struggle to beat the S&P, a 12-year-old, yes, 12, cracked the code. $4,000 a day. Trading, not in a simulation, but with real money, his dad's account. Meet Noah. While his friends were glued to Fortnite, Noah was studying candlestick patterns. At 10, he'd memorized the difference between a doji and a dragonfly. At 12, he turned a simple trendline breakout into a $4,000 daily ritual. This is Dr. E, former Wall Street broker. I lost millions trading like a gambler, thinking I could always make it back. I hired experts who promised profits. They wiped out my accounts. That was my tuition to the market gods. Now I live lean. I don't flash wealth, I build it in silence. I taught Noah not to chase gains, but to guard capital like it's sacred. In these 10 free YouTube videos, I will share some cutting-edge secrets to being a great steward of your investment capital and provide technical expertise about placing winning trades at no cost. Noah doesn't trade penny stocks or meme coins. He targets one of the most powerful beasts in the market, the index, SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. Why? 3 reasons: liquidity, movement, and opportunity. Stocks sleep, indexes breathe. Daily, using options, Noah turns modest moves into monster returns. One good day, 10%. A great day, 300%. One Friday, his dad joked about a $30K loan. Monday morning, it was in the account. 1 month later, $70K. Past performance isn't a guarantee, but volatility was Noah's best friend. The Trump-China saga made markets shake. Noah learned to surf those waves. Risk management? Ruthless. Noah rides positions only after building 30% equity. Then he trails stops like a shadow. Exit wrong, and it's over. Exit right, game changer. Wealth is not built by luck. It's protected by discipline. Every trade Noah makes starts with a plan. He doesn't scalp, he strategizes, because the edge lies not just in entry, but in execution. In the market jungle, SPY roars. Dormant stocks, they snooze. Noah knows. You don't park capital, you deploy it. And that $30,000 came from a flyer. Best egg bank. 5 minutes, no collateral. It hit his account faster than a flash crash. In 30 days, he more than doubled it. Why? Because Noah understood timing. Volatility isn't a threat, it's a window. Here, Noah makes 8.7%. $5,172 in 1 day of trade. This may not happen every day, but even once per week would be a treat. But he doesn't break the rules. Noah's got a day trading account. 3 trades in 5 days. That's amateur stuff. He's built for rapid-fire round trips, legally, strategically. Why a $30K loan? Beware the pattern day trader rule. If you're a frequent trader, you could face permanent restrictions if you fall afoul of the pattern day trader rule. Day trading can be exciting, especially during times of stock market volatility. It can also be extremely risky and could be branded a pattern day trader and have permanent limits placed on your brokerage account. What is day trading? Day trading is the purchasing and selling, or short selling and purchasing, of the same security on a single day within a margin account. What is a pattern day trader? If you make 4 or more day trades over the course of any 5 business days, and those trades account for more than 6% of your account activity over that time period, your margin account will be flagged as a pattern day trader account. If this happens, even inadvertently, you'll be required to maintain a minimum equity of $25,000 in the flagged account on a permanent basis. While flagged, if your account starts the day below this minimum equity based on the prior day's close, and you then execute a day trade, you'll be limited to liquidating trades only until the situation is addressed. If you don't want to hold $25,000 equity in your account at all times, pay close attention to your trades to make sure you don't end up with a flagged account. If you want to be a day trader, then the $25,000 minimum balance requirement will always apply to your account. His sources? The Titans. Bloomberg, Barron's, Think or Swim. He's not just playing the game, he's plugged into the matrix. I taught my son everything, from entry to exit, from failure to fortune. You want to trade? First, learn to lose wisely. Then, win sharply. This is not luck, it's legacy. If a 12-year-old can do it, with discipline, training, and a few hours a day, so can you. Are you ready to become the custodian of your own wealth?